Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website in a series of secret websites to make money online as an artist, as a creative entrepreneur, or even as a print-on-demand seller. So I'm going to be covering another website in today's video. So let's get started with that. Before we go to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want to make more money online, or if you love making money online, then consider subscribing to this channel because we upload daily videos like this, which talks a lot about making money online. We have the bunch of the free resources, the free KDP interiors, the free patterns and textures. All the links are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com and you can check over to the freebie section, download all the freebies, and make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding each month new freebies, and also it contains a full commercial license so you can use it for making your own print-on-demand designs or KDP interiors. And yeah, now let's talk about the secret website. Now today's secret website is a little bit different. I think I come across this new website a few weeks back only, so it's new for me as well. Now you would be thinking I talk a lot that this is new for me, this is new for me. Yes guys, there are so many different websites, so many different platforms or marketplaces out there where you can make money online. And the purpose of this series of the secret website is to let you know guys about the different options, different opportunities that you can utilize in the online space to make more money. Some of these websites are suitable for you, some of them not, depending on your unique situation and scenario where you are living and all. So today's website is related to the print-on-demand designs as well, or related to creative entrepreneurs. So without further ado, let me talk about this website and how you can use it and how you can become a seller on this website to make more money. Now today's website is the Patternbank. Now many of you guys would be hear about it, or maybe not. Do let me know in the comment section below. And I'm going to talk about how you can sell on this website, what are the commission criteria, what you can sell, and various things regarding this Patternbank, what are the goals and missions of this website and all. So it's patternbank.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out. As a trends flash celestial, explore the trends. So there are the different kinds of categories which you can see. Now, what about this website? Like what it is this website is all about? So about Patternbank, a revolutionary global marketplace for textile design, bringing together businesses and the world's leading creatives. So if you are creating a print-on-demand designs as a patterns, as a textures, then this website is exactly for you, because this website allow the different pattern designers or the textile designers or even a designer itself for creating a patterns and textures to sell on this website. Like if you're making your own print-on-demand design from scratch and you're creating a patterns or textures, then this website is exactly for you. At the forefront of this ever-evolving industry, Patternbank is revolutionary the way textile design and surface patterns are bought sold. So here you can sell your patterns, your textures on the textiles and can make more money. How customers can access them: browse, buy and sell 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, wherever you are in the world. At Patternbank, we have combined years of experience with our extensive knowledge of the textile trend forecasting and technology industries to become the go-to virtual textile studio platform. Founded by a group of passionate industry insiders with the aim of empowering designers and making pattern purchasing easier than ever. Since 2012, we have been connecting the globe's most talented designers with customers from the worlds of fashion, homeware, stationery and gifts. So these are the different items that you can sell, or even you can sell your patterns on that. So they started back in 2012. This unique B2B marketplace offers a streamlined service where customers for curated designs obtain trend inspiration to decisions, instantly purchase and directly download the digital files. So it's all about selling your digital files. Like if you're making your own patterns, your textures, your graphics, or for anything for your own print-on-demand shop, and you're making it from scratch, you hold the complete right for that particular design, for that particular pattern or whatever you can call it. Then you can sell the digital file of that pattern on this website. So what the people will going to do, the brand will going onto this place and they're gonna buy the patterns and textures you are uploaded in the digital files, and they're gonna use these pattern textures from you. They're gonna buy from you and they're gonna use for their own clothing line, for their own product line, and so on and so forth. So you're selling your patterns and textures in the form of the digital files on this website. So it's an awesome if you're creating a one. Now updated daily, our vast collection of design is hand selected. There are more than 75,000 designs to explore on Patternbank. Our collection, meticulously curated by our skilled team, is easy to navigate and cover all the bases. The simple to use search and filter system enable customers to discover the perfect design or theme for products, whatever the pattern, color or design you seek, from our new arrivals or our extensive archive of florals to animals. So purchase is simple. Patternbank sells designs in several license formats. So when you are selling onto the Patternbank, you need to create the license for your patterns. So depending on if it is a commercial license, it's an exclusive, it's a non-exclusive, whatever type of license you are providing to that brand or that company in exchange of your design, it depends on all that. About this platform is a marketplace, guys. You are uploading your digital files of your patterns, your textures on this place, and they are already a marketplace, so they already have the customers for you. But there is a big catch over here. The catch is that you need to get an approval to open up a shop under the Patternbank. Yes, not everyone is allowed to open up a shop onto this. It's free to sell on their platform. It's completely free to sell on this platform. They're just gonna take the cut or a commission from every sales you're making. But apart from that, there is no subscription fee or there is no like money they're gonna take from you to open up a shop on that. But you need to get an approval to open up a shop on the Patternbank. Just like the Creative Fabrica, Creative Market or the Hungry JPEG, you need to get an approval. I'm gonna talk about that. So what you need to do, Patternbank, your virtual marketplace for selling patterns, prints and designs. How it works: apply to become a seller and upload your designs, sell your designs and earn the commission. Apply to become a seller on that. You need to provide the links of your portfolio, likewise you're providing in the Creative Fabrica, and you need to like write about what you are selling, what are your designs all about. You just need to click on the link they have on the website to apply to become seller. And when you're gonna click, there is a big form you need to fill: your name, your designer experience, what you're doing, if you are doing any designer job, or if you have any milestone achieved in the designer field, you need to mention that. Then provide the link of your portfolio, whether the website, the Dribble, whatever way you are selling, or if you have a shop of your designer anywhere in the online space, you need to provide the link of that, and then you need to apply for the application and you need to submit that application. So upon approval of that application, you are allowed to sell on this marketplace and make more money. Now we're talking about the payment and the commission. So as a designer, you will receive 50% commission on all the sales made through Patternbank, and we even pick up the PayPal fee. You will be able to track sales in the transactions and statement section of your profile page. Payment will be straight into your PayPal account on a monthly basis. So they'll take 50% commission and you will get 50% and you'll got money by the PayPal. Now designs are on the women's wear, the men's wear, the gift wear, stationery, the interior, home, the kids wear, the swim wear, the active wear. So there are the bunch of the different patterns are selling, like the abstract, the geometric, the floral, the animals, the scenery. Like every kind of patterns or textures which you are creating, you can sell on the Patternbank, but there is a thing that you need to get an approval. So I'm just going to leave all the link of the resources in the description box below. You simply head over to the Patternbank, go into the seller section and apply for the seller. You need to submit your application. So once approval, they're going to send you an email regarding the approval, whether it's approved or not. And if you get approved, then you can open up a shop and you're gonna get the 50% commission. And they have the 3 different kinds of licenses, like the 3 different kinds of licenses in which you can sell your patterns. That is the personal, then the commercial, and then the premium. So depending on these licenses, each one have their own perks. Like personal, that the non-exclusive licensing means your designs can be sold multiple times for say personal or non-commercial use. So if you're making your design as a non-exclusive personal, so it's a non-commercial and it can be sold multiple times. And if you're selling as a commercial that is non-exclusive, the pattern or design can be sold only at once. So non-exclusive licensing means you're allowing your design to be used on a commercial product on up to 500 units, okay? And on unlimited times for commercial use. Non-exclusive as well. The third is a premium, which is exclusive, means that your design is sold with one-off exclusive license and that the buyer, once the buyer has paid, they own that design. So these 3 different kinds of licenses are there: the personal, commercial and the premium. In the premium, it's completely exclusive. If you're going with the premium, then your design just be sold for that particular brand who have purchased that design and it will be there with them. You can't sold that design to any other people in the online or in the offline space because they hold that full commercial license for. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard of the Patternbank, or are you about to sell into the Patternbank or not? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.